Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wish. Say you a freak, show me how freaky. Play it like a joke, I was animal from the first time that we smoked. This girl is girl, whatever you are, I'm on. Loses on sometimes. I did a lot of shit just to live this here life. I'm a couple of born bitches, yeah, doesn't know my
I want to do like a design. I'm trying to look like a, oh shit, I'm think I'm onto something.
They ask you how you are and you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they look at
I'm onto something. I don't even know how to
live this here lifestyle.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am trying my best to be consistent this time. Right now I kind of have a feel of like my schedule and my room and my setup and now my lighting, because as you can tell by the title, I have finally bought a ring light. I'm hoping for the best because I'm really not in the mood to be spending money and, you know, waiting all this time for it to come and then not work. So I'm gonna hope that it works. So let me open the box and try to set it up, and then we'll see if we like the lighting like this or if we like the lighting with the ring light. This is how the braids look. I really like them. And yeah, I'm so happy. I'm gonna make this spread together and I'm gonna make it fun. All right, so I didn't even put on lip gloss. All right. Oh my God. Okay, hold the middle pole of light. Huh? Oh, so like here. Ay, my nails. Ow, my nails. Obviously, I need to get my nails redone, guys. I like it up here. The furthest it could like. Oh. Okay. Every time I do that, I think of like the sound of like a Beats, bitch. The sound of a Beats pill, like when it starts. Like my lashes better not be playing. Now we gotta stand up. Bitch, I thought I broke something. I really like my room set up. Next, I don't know if I want the orange things on it yet, so I might not do that part. Oof, you can't even see me. Come and see me for once. Wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. I want to test out the filters and see if, you know, how they look. So I'm just gonna take it off. I mean, this is a bit closer, like I have to sit on my bed, but that's nice too. I'm just gonna push it back a little bit. Oh, I could sit on my bed and just chill and relax. Now let's see how it looks with the lights. Oh. You know, my eyes just needed to get used to it. I think I like it. See that my did not bake. You can see everything. So right now this is the white light, and now I'm gonna, oh Mitch. So right now this is the white light, and I'm just gonna try changing it into the other color filters. Oh shoot, I actually have I forgot the remote. I'm gonna try this after. I'm just gonna change it into the other ones. Okay. All right, so now let's test the orange one. I mean, I like it. Maybe I just, okay, wait, let's see how my glasses look on. Damn. Oh, they look good. Ooh, she said ankles. I feel like a whole different person. Like, I'm actually in this YouTube thing now. Everyone who starts YouTube probably under a lot of pressure because of how serious it is. Like before, it used to be like you make a YouTube video for fun, but now everyone either use it like for financial benefits or basically like to get discovered. My primary goal is just to practice filming and editing and loving myself more. I like pictures, I like videos, I like looking at myself, I'm confident, and I just want to stick in that lane. So I plan to practice my makeup skills. I don't like this eyelash at all. I don't like lashes. So, you know, I had to test it out with the Snapchat filter.
Then I'll be right there. Send me the location.
Girls, ladies, here's a remix that you probably don't know.
I pull up to your crib
Every time I miss you,
and I love to hear your voice.
sound like an instrumental.
Baby, welcome to the party. Party with Barbie. I better keep that
Yeah.
When I pick up 100 niggas that need a ride, no love floor. I wanna see police on my front door. Conversation with a female.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, leave a like. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.